I placed a coin in the center of a handkerchief, covered it with a cup, then swiftly pulled the handkerchief away. Ask a question. Is there a coin beneath the cup? If you were quick enough, you'd notice the coin had already fallen to the ground with the handkerchief. But here's the catch. Beneath the cup, also included beneath the table. A simple yes would have lost me the round. Yet, seeing my calm demeanor, Marco hesitated again, because that losing the game meant death. He wanted to check the table's drawer only for me to tense up immediately. After all, the drawer did count as beneath the cup. He must have suspected I'd hidden a coin there beforehand, which explained my earlier composure. Confidently, Marco declared there was a coin. But the demon's verdict came as a shock. Huh? I had won a small victory by exploiting Marco's paranoia, but in doing so, I'd enraged him. In an instant, frost crawled over the windows and doors, and the temperature plunged to 10 degrees Celsius. This was Marco's unique ability. Every game player had one, but only the game's initiator could use theirs. As Marco explained, his power allowed him to manipulate cold air, and extreme cold could freeze a person's thoughts, making rational judgment impossible. With the temperature still dropping, and my companion nearly frozen solid, I had no choice but to urge Marco to ask his question. Within a 1-kilometer radius of this house, are there more than 4 supermarkets? This was my home. I knew for a fact there were at least 6. Was this another word trap? But the biting cold left no room for careful thought. I answered yes. The demon's ruling. I was certain my memory was accurate, but why did the answer turn out incorrect? The demon's rulings are absolute and infallible, but it never bothers to explain its reasoning. Left with no choice but to accept the verdict, I could only carry my confusion forward into the next round. I spread the handkerchief on the table again and asked, is there a bomb beneath this handkerchief? Marco must have thought the cold had addled my brain. Still, to be safe, he rummaged through the drawer, found nothing bomb-related, and confidently answered no. I exhaled in relief. I distinctly remembered an unexploded bomb buried beneath my house. But the demon's verdict stunned me. I couldn't accept it. Yet the demon insisted at that very moment there was absolutely no bomb beneath the handkerchief. Marco had won the crucial round. One more victory, and I'd lose my life. His next question was similarly deceptive.
この部屋から半径1キロの9畳半以内に人間は1万人以上おる。
I hesitated. There had to be a trap I was missing. Then my eyes landed on the computer screen, plugged in, yet running on battery power. A realization struck me. I grabbed some paper and lit it in a metal bucket, both to fight the cold and test my theory. The fire alarm blared, but no water sprayed from the sprinklers. Finally, I understood. Marco's claim about manipulate cold air had been a lie. His true power was shifting the game